eyes is getting really busy. Wait, I need to cover my stuff before they get dried.
So till it don't make me lose my cool, cause you might put Batman in the mood. With the sexy things you do, wanna make a rude boy go boom, booga boom. Hey, what up? Guantanamera, would you like to do it to my bima? Me, I wanna make your body shiver. What up? Guantanamera. Oh yeah, you know, say me, I wanna kiss and caress you, all on to fuck.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. So today's makeup look is the Dashiki inspired makeup look. Like, I feel like an African queen right now. You guys don't even know how I feel right now. I feel so beautiful with this look right here. This look, like I already said, was inspired by this Dashiki. I am so happy with the outcome and I am so proud of myself. My blending techniques is getting out of this world. Like, I am sometimes when I get my makeup done, I'm like, Dipbrow, you did that? You really did that? What helped me achieve this look right here is the Techniques palette. I don't know if you guys remember from the previous video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go see it. I'm gonna link it down below. It's the Pride Month look. When I featured this palette in particular was calling out to me. Whenever I open it, the colors, I'm like, wow. Like, it just leaves me in the wow shock every time I open this palette, and I was like, I need to dedicate a video to this palette on its own, and that's what we did today. Really loving the finished result of this look. And for this flawless skin that you guys see me rocking as well, this is a new foundation featured in this video as well today, and it's the Max Factor healthy skin foundation right here. This says it has SPF 20. You guys know me, I love foundation with SPF. Is a plus for women of color. If you find a foundation with the word SPF in it, it's perfect for summer. So I decided to try this foundation as well today. The finish of this foundation is beautiful, it's flawless. The only problem I had with it was the fact that the smell was too strong, but the finished result of the foundation is still perfect. Like, it's makeup. Like, as long as it gives that nice finished flawless look, I can always enjoy the worst smell of it all. Foundation's formula is amazing. That's all you need to know. And yeah guys, before we jump into this makeup look, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it. As always, don't forget to also subscribe if you know you're subscribed to my channel. It's easy to subscribe and it's free. Make sure you join the Dipbrow family. New interesting looks are always going to be coming your way. I know I used to say that all the time before, and then I take like a month break. This time around, I'm telling you guys, I am actually, right now what I'm doing, I'm actually healing. Like, I am taking time off to take care of my health. Putting makeup on is one of them things that is helping me heal, and I'm feeling a lot better since I've taken time off to actually take care of myself. So yeah, new interesting makeup looks are gonna be coming you guys' way for sure. And when you do subscribe as well, as always, make sure you also turn on your bell button so that you'll be notified whenever your girl Dipbrow uploads any new video on her channel, this beautiful channel right here. Don't forget to also comment down below if you guys have any requests of any videos you guys want to see on this channel. Make sure you comment down in the comment box below, and I'll try to get that video done for you guys. And as always, without any further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna jump into this beautiful makeup look right here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. So guys, the first thing we're gonna start by doing, as always, is priming our face. And to do that today, I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Mattifying Base Primer, because today is quite warm, so I'm sure I'm gonna be a bit oily. So we're gonna go straight in. Foundation today, I'm gonna be trying two new foundations. So this is the Max Factor Healthy Skin Foundation, mineral foundation, and it claims it has SPF 20. So this is lovely for summer because of the SPF. The reason why I have two with me is because I was a bit like, which one is my shade, which one is not my shade, as always. So I ended up buying two of them instead. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the one that is a little bit dark as my cream contour, and then the light one, I'm gonna use it as my highlight. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I have with me here Caramel 85. So this one is Caramel, and then this one is Tannin, and that is 95. So now I'm looking at it in my lighted. This seems a bit lighter, but who cares? We're just gonna go straight into it, and we're gonna see how it's gonna come out. So like I said, Tanning is going to be more of our cream contour, so let's go for that one instead. Oof, that's a bit, oh, it has a fragrance. Ooh, it has fragrance to it. I don't like the smell of it. It's not a nice smell. I see. I'm gonna hate this foundation for sure because of the smell. It's not a nice smell. I feel like this is the kind of smell that make my stomach turn. Yeah, I don't like it. And I normally say I don't mind fragrance in my foundation, but this one is a no from me. So now we're gonna go into Caramel. Oh, I really don't like the smell. I really don't like the smell to it. It's not nice. Oh my god, I feel like throwing up because of the smell. I don't like it. Okay, so a quick talk about this foundation before we move on. This foundation, from what I've seen so far after blending it in, it's a very nice creamy foundation, and it's also a full coverage foundation. Like, I have a little bit of breakout going on and the dark spot is right there, but this foundation actually covered most of them, which is good. We like that. But the only downfall to it is the smell. I really don't like the smell. The smell is overpowering. Like I said before, I really don't mind fragrance in my product as long as it's a refreshing fragrance. This has a very, how will I say, strong smell. I don't think it's a very appealing smell. It just makes me feel like throwing up, so I don't know. And I'm quite sensitive with smell as well. Like, my nose is quite sensitive. So that's that. For the finish so far, it's perfect, but for the smell, it's a no from me. So let's move on. So now we're gonna go into our Fenty Beauty concealer in 360. We're gonna use that to conceal our under eyes. So to cream contour, since the other foundation didn't really give us much of any contour going on, I'm going to be going into my Stila Corrector Stick in Tan, and I'm going to be using this to cream contour today. That's more than enough. I'm going to break out my new beauty sponge. I saw this at TK Maxx and I was like, I need this. The reason why I got this is because of the way it's cut, and it's quite soft as well, and it was just £2.99. Come on, you can never go wrong. Like, so it has like a cut edge right there, the other side as well, and then on top of it, it has a cut edge, and then you have that little, you know, shape underneath it just to like use it to bounce around for your foundation or whatever. So I'm going to be using this to blend my concealer today. I love this tool right here. It's actually giving me a very nice blending. So we're just gonna grab our contour brush by Real Techniques, and we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna quickly set my concealer. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in Banana Atiriana. Now we're gonna go into our 007 Ula Lulu bronzer right here. This is just one shade, I only have one shade. Straight into that, right there. Just with light hands, because I know I overdo this sometimes, so I'm just gonna be careful with the way I use it today. Blush today, yes, your girl Dipbrow is using blush today. She's going all out. So for blush today, I'm going to be using my PS Love blush. This is the Primark blush right here. It's a very nice bright pink. Can you see that? It's a pretty pink. I need to be careful with this so we don't use too much. Just see that? Just a little bit. It's quite pigmented Primark. Ooh, I think I got too much on my brush this time around. Because I'm not a blush person, but today I'm just trying to like step out of my comfort zone, you get what I mean? So that's what we'll do it today. Is that you, Dipbrow? If your husband see you on the street, he will not recognize you. I already have a husband. Like, come on, Dipbrow. But you never know. God might plan for another husband for me. He will not recognize me on the street. Anyways, we're gonna stop with the face for now. And now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Yeah, let's start by priming my eyes with my Fenty Beauty concealer again. We are going for something that's gonna match our scarf we have going on today. Yes, that's what Dipbrow is in the mood for. So we're gonna put a lot on because we want it to be really tacky and sticky. Tacky and sticky. Oh, that's what she said. Tacky and sticky. Hey, that's what she said. Let's get going. Okay guys, why this is still a bit, you know, damp, we need to go in quickly because we want our eye makeup to be really pigmented. I'm going to use my Real Techniques palette again today. This is the blue one. I told you guys whenever I opened it, I'm like wow, and I'm like okay, this will be lovely for this Dashiki look we're going for today. So that's what we're going to be doing. The first shade I'm going to be picking up is this blue right here. This blue is going straight into our crease while it's still a bit damp. We want it pigmented. I'm going to blend in. We're just basically packing it down. I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna grab a clean fluffy brush, a smaller one again, and then we're gonna start diffusing the edges out like so. Now we're gonna grab a tiny flat-headed brush and we're gonna go back to our Fenty Beauty concealer. Just gonna put a bit on at the back of my hand like so. And we're gonna go into cutting the middle of our crease because we want our you know, yellow that we're about to place down to have something to stick to. So we're just gonna cut our crease basically. So while that is still a bit tacky, we're gonna quickly go into this lemon color right here in the palette again, and we're gonna place this down in the middle. Grab our blue brush with the leftover, and with a very light hand we're just gonna blend this into that so there'll be no harsh lines. And with this look today, I don't want to line it because I don't want to take away from this look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply my mascara. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. mascara right here. Just going to apply this to my top lashes for the time being. So now that we've applied our mascara, for lashes today we are going to be using the same lashes we used in our previous video, which is this Chinese lashes right here. So yeah, I'm going to be using the lashes I used in my previous video, which looks something like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go off camera for the time being. I'm going to go get my left eyes done and my eyebrows, and as well as, you know, pop on my false lashes, and then I'll be right back to finish this look with you guys. Okay guys, now that our eyebrows and our lashes and the left eye is all done, we're gonna go in to finish up this face real quickly. And to finish up my face today, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder, and this is in the shade 350 Caramel. Okay guys, now that we're done playing with all the powder there is on planet Earth, we're gonna go quickly to finish up our under eyes. To line my waterline today, I'm gonna be using a gel eyeliner. This is by Eye Studio, and this is their Color Tattoo 24 Hours eyeliner. So let's go in. Now I'm going to go back to the Techniques palette again, and we're picking up that blue we've been playing around with today. We're going to sweep this into our under eyes. We are placing this underneath our eyes, then blending it out gently. Like that is perfect, but this eye makeup look is not going to be complete without something in my inner tear dot area. Like, come on. So I'm gonna go into my Makeup Gallery glitter eyeliner. I'm just gonna place just a tiny bit in my inner tear dot area. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to our e.l.f. mascara. I'm gonna be applying this to our bottom lashes. We're gonna quickly highlight our face. Normally I spray my face down before we highlight it, but from this look I don't want to remove any product around at the moment. When I set it, I just want it to be set. So today, to highlight our face, we're going to be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dripped Palette Highlighter. I feel like this look will be pretty with gold, so let's go for gold right there, which is bronzed. To set my face today, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Setting Mist. I was like, as I'm using the face primer today, I might also use the setting spray, you understand? So shake shake, and here we go. Okay, beautiful people, while our face is getting dried, we're going to move on to the final step, which is the lips. I'm going to start by lining my lip with my Mascara coloring pencil eye crayon today. This is like a nude brown, so we're going to use this today. As always, we have to overdraw our lip for Jesus Christ. Anyways, so for lipstick today, I'm going to be using my MAC lipstick. This is a orange shade. I'm going to be placing this right in the middle of my lips, like so. Not really. This is not what I want. So we are about to change the lips up. DIY as always, to get the lips I want. So I'm going to go back to my Techniques palette, and I'm going to pick this mustard color. This is going right in the middle of my lip, like so. No matter that combo right there, that is beautiful. I feel like gloss again, so I'm going to go back to my professional lip gloss, the one I used in my last video, and I'm going to use this to gloss up my lip. Guys, that's the finished look right here. So as always, before you exit this video, make sure you also subscribe. So yeah, let's get straight into the slow motion.